Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cut lion's mane mushroom. First, ensure your mushroom is clean and dry, gently wiping away any debris with a damp cloth. You'll need a sharp knife and a cutting board for this simple process. We'll focus on preserving its unique texture while preparing it for cooking. This method is quick and easy, perfect for any culinary use, whether you're sautéing or frying. Once your lion's mane is ready, place it on its side on the cutting board. This position provides a stable base for your initial cuts. Using your sharp knife, slice the mushroom into thick pieces, aiming for about 1.5 inches in width. Consistency is key here, as uniform slices will cook more evenly. Make sure to use a smooth, decisive motion to avoid tearing the delicate mushroom flesh. Now that you have your thick slices, you can further break them down. Stack a few slices on top of each other to make the next step more efficient. Cut these stacked slices into strips, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch in width. From there, you can dice these strips into smaller, bite-sized cubes, roughly 1/2 inch on each side. Remember, you can always adjust the size to suit your recipe. Your lion's mane mushroom is now perfectly cut and ready for your culinary creations. For best results, try to cook it soon after cutting to preserve its fresh flavor and unique texture. If you need to store it, place the cut pieces in an airtight container in the refrigerator and use them within 2 days. This easy method ensures you get the most out of this fantastic mushroom, ready for any recipe you choose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.